We can use type definitions and strict type definitions to link all the instances of a custom control or indicator to a saved custom control or indicator file. For example, let's turn this Boolean button into a, first let's customize it. Import from file at same size. Let's import this image, and now we can save it as a type def or strict type def. So now this control is now linked to the original control. Let's create a new VI and let's import the same custom control. So let's open the type def and make some more changes. Let's turn it, let's say, into a array of, let's say, these Boolean controls. So let's save it, and you can see that the both instances have now updated. So let's say we want to convert this array into an array of, let's say, numerics. So if we try to place this numeric control into this array, this change is not allowed. I can only place it on top of it, but it will not go inside it. That can only be done if I right click, open the type def, and then make a change inside the type def itself. Now it's an array of numerics. So if I save it and come back, we can see that both these instances have updated. So we can make changes to all instances of the custom control or indicator by editing only the saved custom control or indicator file, which is valuable if we use the same custom control or indicator in several VIs.